Welcome to my new video. I got 6 summer hairstyles for you. Each of them gonna take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish, and they're so cute. And I also going to show you how to transform 2 pigtails into 3 completely different hairstyles. Ready? Let's go! The first hairstyle is a cute braids with a hair clip. For this hairstyle we will need a hairbrush, a hair clip, and elastics. First I brush my hair. I separate the hair pieces in front of my face to make the hairstyle even cuter. And then I start to braid the French braid, gradually adding more hair pieces on both sides. When I get to the earline, I continue the regular braid until the end. I secure the ends with an elastic band, and then I do the same on the other side. When the braid is complete, I create volume by pulling a little bit of hair out of each segment. I cross the braids over each other and then fix them with a claw clip. I remove the elastic bands and run my fingers through the hair. And there you go! The first hairstyle is ready. Let's waste no time and go to the next one. The second hairstyle is claw clip braided bun. We will need a hairbrush and a hair clip for this hairstyle. First I brush my hair and divide it into 2 equal parts. I cross the pieces of hair over each other and twist each of them. I twist the right side clockwise and the left side counterclockwise. And then I cross them over each other again, and I repeat this until the entire length of the hair is twisted. Then I wrap the braid clockwise to create a bun. And at the end, I secure my bun with a hair clip, and here is the final result. This hairstyle took me no more than 3 minutes, and the result is adorable. The third hairstyle is ribbon braids. We will need a hairbrush, a long ribbon, and elastics. First, let's make sure our hair is nicely brushed and divided into 2 parts. Then I take the ribbon and fold it in half. I want to match the middle of the ribbon with the middle of my hair. I recommend a length of a ribbon that is about 10 cm longer than your hair on each side. I then secure the ponytails and ribbon with an elastic on both sides. And I start to braid the regular braid, but one hairpiece includes the ribbon. When the braid is complete, I create volume by pulling a little bit of hair out of each segment. And then I do the same thing on the other side. And the third hairstyle is done. To be honest, I'm not sure if this hairstyle suits me or not. Please let me know in the comments what you think about it. The fourth hairstyle is a braided loops. We will need a hairbrush, elastics, 2 ribbons, and a hair comb. Let's divide our hair on the back into 2 parts using a hair comb. Then I separate the front hair pieces and do the same pigtails as I did in the previous hairstyle. I braid a simple braid from 2 pigtails. The most interesting part starts now. I divide my braid into 3 equal parts, and I fold them on top of each other, fixing the elastic exactly in the middle. Note that the end of the braid is facing down, not up. I tie a ribbon around the loop. And I do the same on the other side. If your hair is longer, feel free to fold the braids 4 times. And 3, 2, 1, the hairstyle is done. And I'm thrilled with how cute this hairstyle looks. I'm sure it will win your heart and you'll want to try it too. The fifth hairstyle is called Milkmade braids. We will need a hairbrush, elastics, and hairpins. This time I'm going to start with a pre-made ponytail so you don't get bored. The next step is to braid the braids on both sides. When the braids are ready, take pins and secure one of the braids on the top of your head. Do the same with the other braid, covering the ends of your hair and hiding them under. This is the final result. I love how elegant braids look in this version. Definitely, this hairstyle has a classy vibe. And now, finally, the sixth hairstyle. We will need a hairbrush, elastics, and hair comb. I split my hair into two sections. I tie it up in a high pigtail. In this hairstyle, it's very important to create this sleek, smooth vibe, so you can use gel or hairspray if you want. I separate the pigtail into two parts and make a twisted braid. I twist both sides in different directions and then twist them together. I fix the end of the hair with an elastic. And here it is, the final result. I like this hairstyle a lot. It's cute and very easy to do. I think this hairstyle can help you feel more confident. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments which hairstyle do you like most, and see you in the next video. Bye!